Hello everyone, myself Yagna. I am pursuing inter first year in Ignite IS. Today I am gonna say about UNESCO heritage sites. First of all, what is meant by UNESCO heritage sites? UNESCO means United Nations Educational, Scientific, Cultural Organization. UNESCO heritage sites adopted the heritage sites by the General Conference in 1946. November 16th, UNESCO heritage sites consists of natural and educational, historical and other important significance. Heritage sites consists of so much of importance with architecture and historical importance. We have 42 sites in UNESCO heritage sites. India is a member of UNESCO heritage site since 1946. India has 42 sites. 42nd site is Hoysala temples. Let's know the significance of Hoysala temples. Hoysala temples are made with soapstone and they have raised platform with an stilite platform. And 41st site is Santiniketan. Santiniketan is from West Bengal. It is a type of school and also center for architecture. And 39th site is Rudreshwara temple. It is from Telangana, Warangal. And first site from heritage sites from India is Ajanta Caves. We should be proud to be Indians as we have 42 sites in UNESCO heritage sites. UNESCO heritage sites main aim is to conserve and protect the natural and historical architectures. And the majority of the countries have a place in UNESCO heritage sites. Italy consists of 59 sites in UNESCO heritage sites, and China consists of 57 sites, and Germany and France consists of 52 sites. India consists of 42 sites. The important heritage sites among world is the Acropolis of Athens, the Great Wall of China and Taj Mahal and many more. The important sites from India is Taj Mahal, Ajanta Caves and Agra Fort. Globally, we have 1199 sites in UNESCO heritage sites. UNESCO heritage sites are very important. We have difference between World Heritage Sites and Indian Heritage Sites. World Heritage Sites will definitely tell about their past and beautiful architectures, but Indian Heritage Sites will also tell about past and also about the future. In some temples, we can observe it. And let's know the benefits of UNESCO heritage sites. What are the benefits? The benefits are there will be a protection from United Nations and there will be a protection from all organizations. International organizations will be as barriers for all the heritage sites, and there will be safety for art and architectures of historical memories. Thank you.